The entire universe you just saw was created with the Anycubic Photon Ultra, a DLP printer which produces such high-quality parts, it's light years ahead of anything you've ever seen. Together with Texas Instruments, we've built a machine that brings industrial-grade results to your desktop at a price that's down to earth. Our new DLP projection technology produces incredibly detailed, high-precision prints while being more energy efficient and durable at the same time. The optical parts in the Photon Ultra don't need to be replaced like with traditional LCD printers, giving it a service life of over 20,000 hours. This greatly reduces maintenance costs and allows you to keep printing without changes in print quality or interruptions. The Photon Ultra has a built-in DMD optical engine, which, combined with thousands of micro mirrors, creates crisp, precise images on the bottom of the tank. DLP technology has a 90% light uniformity, making it far superior to traditional LCD printers. Photon Ultra produces high-precision prints across the entire surface of the bed without distortion. The high level of precision and detail makes Photon Ultra the perfect printer for jewelry designers. Photon Ultra only uses 1/5 of the energy of an LCD printer, meaning it's whisper quiet and can be used anywhere without producing noise. With its high accuracy, speed, and service life, you can print all the models and miniatures you want for endless game nights. The high standard of printing also makes Photon Ultra suitable for dentists and doctors. Anycubic has brought industrial-level DLP printing to the desktop at an affordable price, unlocking more creative opportunities for everyone looking to build the next great thing. Don't let anything stop your creativity with Anycubic Photon Ultra.